Hey there, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video to make some channel updates. I know I haven't uploaded a video on this channel yet, so I thought this was a good opportunity to do so. So number one thing I wanted to say is, as you guys know, if you were on yesterday's stream, you'll see that it has crashed twice. So yeah, the internet hasn't been good for the past few days. That's why I'm putting the streams on pause. So there won't be any streams this week, I think, and I will try to fix the issue soon. All right. So yeah, I know I've had my history with internet. It hasn't been the best. Okay, second point. There is this interesting idea that I wanted to make or incorporate into my streams. In the Study With Me streamer community, you don't really get much room for creativity. I mean, there are certainly people that have made new ideas and it has worked well and they have been inspiring. But I feel like in the Study With Me community, it hasn't always been easy to be unique. I mean, it's either the setup or what you do in the break. So I wanted to do something kind of new, especially in the break time. So that's where I introduced kind of this idea of making lecture breaks. So when we're doing study with me streams, we're probably trying to be productive. So I've had this idea that every now and then in the break, we can have a small little lecture on a topic that you guys get to choose. So for example, you're joining study with me streams and you have trouble focusing. So you just message me, or I don't know, I'm gonna make it probably through forums, but you're gonna say, oh, I really need help with procrastination. So we're going to spend 10-minute break that we usually do. We're gonna spend it doing a small little lecture talking about procrastination and how to avoid it. Someone else has issues with being consistent, so we make a lecture about that. Someone else wants help in leadership roles, in being good at doing public speaking, in being fluent, in being articulate. So, there are a lot of things that we can learn about in our break time to make us more productive. So that's why I'm thinking of making, for example, if we have a 6 hour stream, we can have two breaks where we do small little lectures. And then I can record these lectures and then I can post them on my YouTube channel. So then we have this little series of lectures that we can do. So I feel like this is a nice idea that can help us, and I don't think I've seen it in any other streamer, and I think it's going to be a good way for us to connect. So yeah, that's why I want to incorporate lecture breaks, and I won't make any topics by myself. I'll let you guys decide what we should talk about in the break, and and then later on we can further enhance it. This is still the start. You guys can suggest more ways to make this better, and obviously I do want this to be, if it works out well, I wanted to stay there for a long time and to be part of our channel. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. So third thing I'd like to say really quick is that I have made, finally, after a long time, I've made my channel membership. So now if you look under, you'll see next to the subscribe, there's the join. And what that has is you have custom emojis, your name is highlighted, you get to see videos early. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I thought I'd let you guys know quickly. But yeah, that will be it. I just, I really want to know what you guys think about the lecture breaks, okay? Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you soon, okay? Bye.